Long-range views and beautiful almost level fields only begin to describe the 76-acre farm on top of Elk Knob in Summers County. This 3-bedroom 2-bath home is a cattle rancher's dream with 3 large stock ponds and 2 smaller ones, a large barn and several outbuildings to store all your equipment. The property also has another 40 by 23 feet cinderbrick building on it that was used as a store and could be utilized again to help pay for the property. Don't wait, schedule your showing today before this one is gone.